Assalamualaikum. I'm Sajid back with another episode of my vlog. With me is co-host Emil Sajid. Hi, how are you, Emil?
Fine.
Emil is my daughter, and today we both gonna introduce you to another very useful appliance which you can use in your home to increase the humidity, because if you are living in Saudi Arabia, the weather here is very dry, especially in Riyadh. It's extremely dry and it can cause a lot of diseases as well, especially throat related diseases. So it's really useful if you buy such appliances which are actually known as humidifiers, and they can increase the humidity level in your home. So I would recommend you to use such devices so that your home remains humidified and you can avoid a lot of diseases there. Okay, so here is a Black & Decker humidifier. If we show you from here, the model is HM3000, and this device can hold 3 liters of water in its water compartment, and I will show you in detail there. And this is the box. We have already removed the device from this box. You can see from here the humidity will come out, and this is a Black & Decker device. You can see these are different parts there, and Emil, will you show us this knob there, actually to to switch it on and off. And then this is water compartment. Can you remove this one, please? So here you can see you can remove this cover from here, and here is the filter from where the humidity will come out. And then there is small aroma tray, they call it. If you want some fragrance, you can put in this tray, and when the mist comes out, it will have some fragrance. And here is a stand. You can just remove it, and here is the water, which actually turns to sort of steam. And here is the button, the black thing. You open it and fill the box with the water, and then place it back over here like this, and then cover it from the top. Okay, when it's fixed like this, also this point on top from where this humidity comes out, you can change the direction. So we keep it like this, and then we can switch it on. Also in front of it here, you can see how much water is there. There's minimum level and the high level, maximum level, and by now we have medium level. Our box is almost half filled. So now please switch it on. So after some time, you see this now sort of steam or mist is coming out, and you can change the intensity. Now it's on the full. Yeah, now it's on full, and you can see this is how it will humidify your home. So this is really useful. It's not also expensive. We highly recommend to use it. And also you can use normal tap water in this device. You don't need to put some you can say drinking water or mineral water in it. So some people say that they have to use mineral water or drinking water, but that's not true. You can use normal water in it, but only keep it clean every day. Open the box and clean it and dry it, and then put new water in it, fresh water, so that it keeps on working without problem. So this is how it works. I hope you liked our video. So now we are done with our video. I hope you liked our device. So if you have any question about it, you can give comments and ask us about it. Okay, bye bye.